Do I have a mask?
He doesn't have a mask on, and
Do you have a mask?
recording as well.
You turn the camera off, sir.
Why is that?
Sir, turn the camera off. Sit down. Sit down.
What is your name?
Sit down. My name is Deputy Wright.
Okay.
Turn the camera off.
Why?
Sir, you cannot record in here. That is why. Turn the camera off.
Can I have the opportunity to leave?
No, I want you to turn the camera off.
Why?
394. Code 22.
I will leave the office under the threat of arrest without any problem.
Sir, turn the camera off.
I will leave the office without any problem.
No, you won't.
Why?
No, you won't.
Why?
Because you are recording. Now, we're telling you you cannot record in the courthouse anywhere.
I'm not in the courthouse right now.
Yes, you are.
This is not a courthouse, it's a public lobby.
Hello, YouTube. On today's episode of KYR News, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel ATL Auditor. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on February 10th, 2022 in Marietta, Georgia. The auditor was doing a First Amendment audit of the Cobb County District Attorney's Office when he is confronted by a police officer that wants to enforce policies and not laws. The officer starts barking orders at the auditor like, turn off your camera and sit down, like he is a dog. Now, let's dive right into today's video and see how this plays out.
So you're in the DA's office.
Yeah, but this is not a courtroom. This
Sir,
is not a
I
courthouse.
said the courthouse.
Like I said, I will voluntarily leave this office.
No. Stop recording, sir.
I feel unsafe if I stop recording with you. The way that you've approached me, I feel unsafe.
That's too bad. I didn't approach. My hands are folded in front of me.
I feel like my
I'm standing
safety.
4 feet from you.
I feel like my safety is at risk right now.
Okay, turn.
And I will voluntarily leave.
Turn the camera off.
I will voluntarily leave. I'm just practicing my First Amendment rights.
Sir, and I'm practicing my duties as a law enforcement officer, and I'm telling you, you need to turn the camera off.
Yeah.
Okay?
What should I do? I would like to leave.
I need you to turn the camera off.
I would like to leave. Can I leave?
Turn the camera off.
Can I leave?
Yes, you can leave as soon as you turn the camera
No, you can't until you do that.
Okay. Can I please leave?
Turn it off.
And what was the law that you're quoting?
Sir, turn the camera off.
What law am I breaking?
Sir, turn the camera off.
What law am I breaking? Can I see your supervisor?
He coming.
Okay, I would like to talk to your supervisor.
I'm way ahead of you.
Yes, I would like to talk to
They're
your supervisor.
already on the way.
Thank you.
All right?
Do you have a mask for me?
No, I don't have no mask for you.
Thank you. She does. She was being polite.
Okay. Go ahead and have a seat.
Is this your supervisor?
You'll know when they come. I'll tell you who they are. Okay?
And what was your name again?
My name is Wright. W-R-I-G-H-T.
And what is your badge number?
My badge number is 394.
And
Anything else?
what was your name?
Yarborough,
And your badge number?
11012.
Okay. And can I have everyone's name, please? Can I have your name, please? Sir, can I have your name? Can I have your name, ma'am?
McAllister,
And what's your badge number?
19066.
All right, thank you.
Okay? I'm
Is there a reason?
I'm going to explain it to you
Is there a
more
reason why he
time.
won't identify?
I'm going to explain it to you one more time, sir. You cannot record in the courthouse. There are signs when you come in everywhere.
I'm not in
I'm
the
telling
courthouse.
you. Yes, you are, sir. Where are
I'm
you?
in the lobby.
Of the courthouse.
But I'm in the lobby. I'm not
Of
in
the
the
courthouse.
I'm not in the courthouse.
Okay.
I'm in the lobby.
No problem. I've explained that to you 3 times.
Well, I'm sorry. I didn't hear what he said. What,
You're in the courthouse, not a courtroom.
I'm in the
Two
lobby.
different places.
I'm in a
You
lobby.
are in the Cobb County Court Complex.
I'm in the
Not
lobby.
Record the room. You cannot record in the Cobb County Court complex.
Complex or the courthouse?
I said the courthouse. I didn't say courtroom. I've said it 3 times. You are in the courthouse.
But this is a lobby.
In the courthouse, correct?
I'm in a public lobby.
No, you're not. You are in the courthouse.
Can you show me that?
There is not. Yeah, sir. I'm not finna play games with you. You know
I voluntarily offered to
are.
leave, and you
You
said
know where
I
you are.
couldn't leave.
Yeah, you can't.
I can't leave.
Because you need to stop that recording.
What law am I breaking?
You are breaking the law, sir.
What law? What's the code?
You can't record, sir. I'm not here to play games with you.
This is not a
Okay?
game, sir.
I'm not here to play games with you.
No, this is not a game.
All right.
I never said it was a game. It's not a game.
Evidently, you think it is.
No, it's not. I don't
Okay.
think that at all, sir.
So we got a young man here that's recording, and he don't want to stop recording.
Why is he in the building with that? Why do you have that on, sir?
I'm just practicing my First Amendment rights.
Okay, you can't have that in our buildings.
Well,
And there's
well,
something
well,
on the
I
door.
voluntarily
I understand
told,
what you're
I
saying,
said I
and
would
I'm
leave,
listening to
and
you.
he's detaining me.
Okay, come on. Let's walk with you out of
Why,
here.
can you tell me why he was detaining me?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go back.
I volunteered to leave, and he unlawfully detained me.
Now I'm talking to you. What's your name? If you don't mind me asking, just so I know who I'm talking to.
I'm not going to give out my name,
Okay, that's fine.
because I haven't broken any law.
Nobody said you did. I just asked you your name. So
I know,
who I was talking
but
to.
he's saying that I'm doing something
No,
wrong.
he's not. I'm talking to you now. Call what you
So
got.
this hallway is the courtroom,
No, there's no courtroom on this floor.
but he's saying that this is the courthouse.
This is a courthouse. There's courtrooms on every
But
other
this is a
floor.
lobby,
This is a law area.
a law area, but it's not the
Sir,
courtroom.
there's signs on the door that tells you that you can't bring that in here.
Under what code?
I'll show you at the door.
But does it have a code or is it a
Yes, sir.
policy?
You'll see.
Like I said, I said I would volunteer to leave, and that gentleman over there,
That was me.
I know I'm pointing at you, unlawfully detained me in that office.
How were you unlawfully detained?
He
I
told
don't
me
see
I could not
thumbs or
leave.
anything on
He
you.
told me I could not leave. I voluntarily said I will leave. He said I could not leave.
Till you stop
He
recording.
detained me.
Okay.
I want to know why I was unlawfully detained.
Is this the way you came in, sir? Step back in this way. I'm sorry.
Oh, is this the wrong floor?
Yes, sir. I apologize.
No, it's all right. And I don't feel safe with this man standing behind me like this.
That's okay. I'm
Because
gonna
he's
work
acting
with you.
hostile and irrational. He's not talking to me. He's barking orders at me, telling me to sit like a dog.
Okay, like I said, sir, and I don't know your name, so that's all I can call you. I'm dealing with you now, and you're talking to me.
All right, can you
Step
show
over
me-
here.
can you
Go
show
to
me?
the right, yes, sir. Is this the door at which you came in? Or
No.
was it on the other side? But that's fine. This one over here too. Step that way.
Now, where is this?
We're gonna go. It's on the door.
Camera's not a weapon.
It's not.
What's the code? Inside the courthouse.
This is the courthouse, sir. This is a Superior
What did I
Court
tell
building.
you was? You was in the courthouse.
This is a Superior
I was in
Court
the
building.
lobby.
Not one
That's
time.
not a lobby, sir. That is the building. That floor is in our building. It's a Superior Court building. It is a courthouse.
I was in a lobby, in a public lobby.
You're in the Superior Court building, sir.
What law is that?
You're in a Superior Courthouse, sir.
What law is that?
You are in a Superior Court building. Before you enter our building, we tell you everything you can and can't do in order to enter
Yes,
the
and
building.
I'm asking
And
you,
if
what
wanna
law
follow
is
this,
that?
Then we're okay with you entering our building. If you do not want to follow those rules, you're not going to be allowed to enter our building.
Okay, why did he unlawfully detain me after I voluntarily said I would
Sir,
leave?
when I came up there, you weren't in cuffs, so how do you feel that you're being detained?
He told me I could not leave. That's
Could you have
detainment.
left?
Yes, I would have.
So once again,
He
what
told me
law
I
did you
could
say?
not leave. That's an unlawful detainment. I want to file a complaint against this man.
And you can feel free to do so. If you want to go to that building on the second floor, that's the sheriff's office. You feel free to do that.
Okay, what was your name again?
Right. WRIGHT. Badge 394. For
And
the
what was your
second
name?
time.
Traugot. T-R-A-U-G-O-T-T.
Your name, sir?
Chair.
And your badge number?
This gentleman came with me, so there's no interaction he had with you at all.
He's here. Can I have your badge number,
Let's go,
please?
guys. Thank you.
I already got her.
Building, I need you
I already
to remove
got-
the camera, sir.
I already got
Thank
her
you.
badge number and name.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out ATL Auditor's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of KYR News, stay safe out there.